Hi there. So, to boost your fluency, here I have some of the most used Hindi to English sentences. So, let's start practicing these. मैंने क्या गलत किया? What wrong did I do? What wrong did I do? मैंने उसे गाली नहीं दी. I did not abuse him. I did not abuse him. मैं तेरा मुंह तोड़ दूंगी. I will smash your face. I will smash your face. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. मुझे मक्खन मत लगाओ. Don't butter me up. Don't butter me up. ये तुम्हें बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा. It will cost you a fortune. It will cost you a fortune. वैसे तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? By the way, what are you doing here? By the way, what are you doing here? आप कल घर पर ही रहना. You stay at home tomorrow. You stay at home tomorrow. तुम्हें मेरा नंबर किसने दिया? Who gave you my number? Who gave you my number? तुम में से बड़ा कौन है, तुम या तुम्हारी बहन? Who is older, you or your sister? Who is older, you or your sister? वो किसके बारे में बात कर रही है? Who is she talking about? Who is she talking about? वहाँ वो आदमी कौन है? Who is that man over there? Who is that man over there? ये गिफ्ट किसके लिए है? Who is this gift for? Who is this gift for? उसे कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will he take? How much time will he take? तुम्हें कितना समय लगता है? How much time do you take? How much time do you take? मुझे 10 मिनट लगेंगे. I will take 10 minutes. I will take 10 minutes. मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी कैश नहीं है. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. तुम इतने निराश क्यों हो? Why are you so upset? Why are you so upset? तुम कहाँ पले बढ़े? Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? कौन सी सड़क दिल्ली जाती है? Which road goes to Delhi? Which road goes to Delhi? मैं कौन से रास्ते से जाऊं? Which way should I go? Which way should I go? वे किसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं? Who are they waiting for? Who are they waiting for? तुम किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? तुम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? तब से हम दोस्त हैं. Since then we have been friends. Since then we have been friends. मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं रुक सकता. I can't stay long. I can't stay long. मेरा दिल खुशी से भर गया. My heart was filled with joy. My heart was filled with joy. आप हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं आ रहे? Why are you not coming with us? Why are you not coming with us? आपकी पढ़ाई रंग लाएगी. Your study will pay off. Your study will pay off. Your study will pay off. अब तुम किसके साथ रहते हो? Who do you live with now? Who do you live with now? आपको क्या लगता है वो कौन है? Who do you think he is? Who do you think he is? मुझे इसमें 2 मिनट लगे. It took me 2 minutes. It took me 2 minutes. अब तुम्हारी बारी है. It is your turn now. It's your turn now. कहाँ जाऊं, कहाँ ना जाऊं. Where to go, where not to go. Where to go, where not to go. कमरे में कोई नहीं है. There is nobody in the room. There is nobody in the room. क्या सच में वो इस लायक है? Is he really worth it? Is he really worth it? क्या तुमने भी महसूस किया? Did you feel the same? Did you feel the same? उसको क्या परेशानी है? What is wrong with him? What is wrong with him? तुम्हें किसने बताया कि मैं यहाँ हूँ? Who told you that I am here? Who told you that I am here? तुम हर समय गुस्से में क्यों रहते हो? Why are you angry all the time? Why are you angry all the time? मैंने ये खुद अपनी आँखों से देखा. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. तुम्हें सब याद है ना? You do remember everything, don't you? You do remember everything, don't you? क्या तुमने अभी कुछ कहा नहीं? Didn't you just say something? Didn't you just say something? मुझे और नहीं चाहिए. I don't want any more. I don't want any more. मुझे ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगेगा. It will not take me too long. It will not take me too long. ठीक है चलो. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? मैं डरता हूँ. Fine, let's go. You think I'm afraid? Fine, let's go. You think I'm afraid? गाड़ी के चाबी देना मुझे. Give me the car key. Give me the car key. आते रहना. Do keep coming. Do keep coming. तुमने अपने बारे में क्या सोचा है? What have you thought about yourself? What have you thought about yourself? कहाँ हो तुम? इसका मतलब कि क्या चल रहा है जीवन में. Where have you been? Where have you been? यहाँ कॉफ़ी किसने गिराई? Who spilled the coffee here? Who spilled the coffee here? तुम्हें गाड़ी चलाना किसने सिखाया? Who taught you how to drive? Who taught you how to drive? वो कौन हो सकता है? Who could it be? Who could it be? उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? What made her do that? What made her do that? ऐसा मत कहो। डोंट से दैट। डोंट से दैट। वे बाहर क्यों नहीं आए? वाई हैव दे नॉट कम आउट? वाई हैव दे नॉट कम आउट? इतनी देर हो गई। इट हैज़ बीन सो लॉन्ग। इट हैज़ बीन सो लॉन्ग। क्या आप बिल के पक्ष में हैं या विपक्ष में? आर यू फॉर और अगेंस्ट द बिल? आर यू फॉर और अगेंस्ट द बिल? उसने एक पल के लिए भी नहीं सोचा। He did not think for even a second. He did not think for even a second. शादी कहाँ हुई थी? Where was the marriage held? Where was the marriage held? तुम यहाँ किसके साथ आए हो? Who did you come here with? Who did you come here with? तुम किसके साथ कॉलेज गए थे? Who did you go to the college with? Who did you go to the college with? उसकी एक और बुरी आदत थी। He had one more bad habit. He had one more bad habit. मैं ही था जिसने जुआ खेला। I was the one who gambled. I was the one who gambled. कल बारिश हुई थी। It had rained yesterday. It had rained yesterday. पूरे घर में खून ही खून था। There was blood all over the house. There was blood all over the house. ये आखिरी मौका है तुम्हारे लिए। This is the last chance for you. This is the last chance for you. 2 दिन हो गए हैं। It has been 2 days. It has been 2 days. क्या कल छुट्टी थी? Was it holiday yesterday? Was it holiday yesterday? क्या देहरादून में बारिश हुई? Did it rain in Dehradun? Did it rain in Dehradun? बेबी को झूला झुला दो। Give a swing ride to the baby. Give a swing ride to the baby. मैंने उससे अपने दिल की बात कही। I spoke my heart to her. I spoke my heart to her. बेबी अंगड़ाई ले रहा है। The baby is stretching his body. The baby is stretching his body. मम्मी ने मुझे साड़ी पहनाई, मतलब जबरदस्ती करके साड़ी पहनाई। मम्मी मेड मी वेयर अ साड़ी। मम्मी मेड मी वेयर अ साड़ी। तुम्हारे साथ वो लड़का कौन आया था? Who was that boy came with you? Who was that boy came with you? तुमने पार्टी में किसे बुलाया था? Whom did you invite to the party? Whom did you invite to the party? मुझे 2 दिन हो गए थे। It had been 2 days to me. It had been 2 days to me. आप किस समय आ सकते हैं? What time can you come? What time can you come? आप उस पर निर्भर रह सकते हैं। You can depend on him. You can depend on him. हमें गरीबों की मदद करनी चाहिए। We should help the poor. We should help the poor. वो किस समय स्कूल से निकला? What time did he leave the school? What time did he leave the school? 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days. It had been 2 days. तुम और क्या देखना चाहते हो? What more do you want to see? What more do you want to see? पागल था मैं उसके पीछे. I was crazy about her. I was crazy about her. इसके माँ बाप इसे कैसे झेलते हैं? How do his parents tolerate him? How do his parents tolerate him?